Hey guys, Ben Bloomley and welcome back to my community, Dutch Island, one of the most premier gated and waterfront communities. What we call it is the boaters community of Savannah. Now, with inventory at its all-time low across the country, and especially here on Dutch Island, our community is a little under 500 homes and we have 0 properties available. So instead of today you waiting around to find that dream home for it to be listed, I'm gonna show you some rare property, lots, 3 lots right now that we've got available that you can come out, stop waiting around and build that dream home here on Dutch Island and be one of my neighbors. So come on, let's go check them out. All right guys, so where you just saw me was our community dock. Now we're gonna go check out the other amenities and then actually get to those lots that I mentioned. But another factor, I'm sitting on my golf cart. We are golf cart friendly, so that's the best part. Everywhere on the island is very quick, very easy. So hop on, let's go check them out. All right, last pit stop when I promise you we're gonna get to those lots. But right here, this is our main community center. We've got the pool, the clubhouse, the playground, basketball courts outdoor, and then the tennis courts also now converted for the pickleball for all you enthusiasts out there. But this is where it all happens in the summer. You'll love it. Now let me get back on the golf cart and let me show you the lots. The lots are what you're looking for, so let's go. All right guys, we're at the lots. We're finally here. So this is the first one of our tour right now, 113 Meriwether Drive. And the cool thing about this is that you're sitting over 3 acres of buildable land here on Dutch Island. And also, additionally for this, on the 3 acres, you could make an estate lot, build your dream home in the back, build a guest cottage in the front, or subdivide it and have 2 different lands. So you could have one property here, one property in the back. Both properties are very private. The front one's gonna have a little lagoon setting, but on the back, you're gonna have a much more grand and actually have a little beach that leads down into that lagoon. So 2 options, build that dream home with the additional carriage house, guest house, or subdivide them, build 2 spec homes, whatever the case may be. But check out 113 Meriwether, enjoy this, and if this doesn't work, come on, I'm gonna take you to the next one down on Wild Thistle. All right guys, so we just got done checking out 113 Meriwether, that lagoon setting, the estate property, 2 lots that you have, all the different choices you can make. But now we're at 65 Wild Thistle, 0.78 acres, 0.78. You heard, 0.78. This right here sits on deep water views, marsh views, water views, back straight up to the Skidaway and the Wilmington River. I mean, man, when you build this, when you clear this lot, the views, the expansiveness is something that you will enjoy every single day of your life. So come check this one out. Come check out Dutch Island. Contact us for any questions. We'd love to help you out. But once again, stop sitting around waiting for this inventory because it's not going to change anytime soon. So start now, start fresh, and start building your dream home inside Dutch Island.